Hello, in front of me I have Motorola One Macro and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Let's open the settings first, and to do it just swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu and then tap the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select the system. Here let's select backup. Now make sure that the backup to Google Drive is turned on, and as you can see it is in our case. Then tap on the account to add the account we want to use for backup. Let's tap here, enter the email address, tap next to continue. Now we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And once you're done entering the password, tap next. Here tap on I agree. Then tap accept. And tap OK. And as you can see, the Google backup is enabled. We have an account added and it's already waiting for backup. And that's how you enable the Google backup on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.